What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. What's up, it to Cuby and the Blizzard's Distant Smile from 1967. We're going way back in the Wayback Machine. Let's jump into it. Let's check it out together. You wanted it. I'm here with it. Let's go. If you enjoy it, get over to show Cuby and the Blizzard's all the love of the world. Go show Rounder W the love. We're already subbed up. We're smashing the like button. Let's go. You know it's gonna be that really real rock and roll. This that kind of song right here that you just gotta sit back and enjoy the music 100%. Like, we've gone so far from this style rock and roll to what we have today, metal and all this death metal and grunge metal and hard style rock and roll. And it's just sometimes when you go back in time to like this era, the 60s, even some of the early 70s, it's just a whole different kind of rock and roll. It's like there's so much focus and appreciation that goes into the actual song itself. I don't know, very, very interesting. We love old-timey rock and roll. That was a different world, man. Even the way that this video is set up, you might gotta imagine at one point this was high-end special effects right here, overlaying the videos and stuff. I love that we can have this whole evolution of video. You will go back and watch it for yourself. Starts way back here, and then we progress through different things in the 80s. Like, yeah, special effects have come a long way, even in the short time that you or I have been alive. Like a piece of history, man. If you come back to me, say you need a place to hide. That's the smile. That's the smile. That's the smile. That's the smile. That's when you gotta just listen to it and appreciate it. You really, really do. A lot of older music, you just gotta go listen to it, appreciate it, because it is inspired and created all of the music that is today. Get over so Cuby and the Blizzards all the love of the world. Go show Rounder W the love. Smash the like button if you liked it, the dislike button, but I won't believe you. Till the next one, I'm highly combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe, love it to the moon, the back. Peace.